Hey, welcome to your own channel. Let us draw 3D Santa with a cheap crayon color. I have started sketching. Please observe how you can draw the figures easily. I'm taking the help of geometrical shape to make the structure. Now let's give the detailings. So here is our today's star. Apsara wax crayon. It is just ₹10 and it is a set of 12 shades. Please observe how I am coloring. This color is not so bright, but it is good for practicing. Now you have to cut these two parts. So our Santa Claus is ready. Hope you enjoyed today's video. To support my channel, please subscribe to it and share my videos. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas to all of you.